Hello, this is Johnny Bad, 6661, John FK page again. Um, I took a few pictures of my motorcycle and X-rays of my motorcycle accident and my helmet. Um, as you can see in my throughout my profile and photo albums. Um, how it happened is I was working two jobs and I had a doctor's appointment, so I had to instead of something was telling me to take the train that day, but I didn't. So I took my motorcycle and went off to get something to eat at the diner. I wasn't feeling quite myself that day, but I said, nah, maybe when I get on the motorcycle, it'll all blow over. You know, still feeling a little bit that way when I got to the restaurant, ate something, and I was feeling kind of real tired because I was working two jobs and only had like 4 hours, maybe 3 hours at best rest the night before going to the doctor's appointment. Should have probably took the train, but hindsight's 2020. And so I got on the freeway, started going down the freeway, and all of a sudden I run on very little sleep anyway between the two jobs, and I was using the bike to go between all the two jobs. And each job was a 30-minute commute between each one of them and home. Um, Depending on traffic, 40 minutes around here. Even though I do lane split, white line. Um, so I got on the freeway between the Grand Central Parkway and 495 on the Cross Island Freeway. Um, I just blinked for a minute, just closed my eyes for a quick second, just blinked. And next thing you know, I'm laid out on the concrete. And all of a sudden, the next thing you know, I had people waking me up saying, "What happened? What happened? What happened?" I guess sleep deprivation took hold and knocked my ass out. You know, because I guess I was wrecked ass fucking tired. I don't know what the fuck was going on, but anyway. Um, Woke up and then fell back to sleep after people woke me up. I let them know I'm okay. I closed my eyes and then woke up again. FDNY was over me, looking down at me. I was like, oh shit, I definitely fucked up. I didn't know how fucked up I was until I got to the hospital, and all of a sudden the pain started shooting through me like a mad dog when I'm doing the CAT scan. And it's unfucking real, man. Sleep deprivation ain't no fucking joke. I thought I thought I was gonna be able to stay awake. The motorcycle keep my adrenaline going, but obviously it didn't. And sleep deprivation got the best of me. I know it can hit you on a fucking motorcycle, but I guess it can hit you any damn where. When your body says it's gonna shut down, it's gonna shut down no matter what you're doing, I guess. Sleep deprivation ain't no joke. Sleep attack. Knocked my ass right out. Next thing you know, I laid out on the pavement. And on my way to a doctor's appointment at NYU. And I was in rehab for 6 months. I was at Forest Hills Rehab, I think, for about 3 months there. Then another 3 months of physical therapy. Couldn't feed myself for the first 3 weeks of being in Forest Hills Rehabilitation Nursing Home. So anyway, that's about it. Fucking crazy. I wanted to do this video earlier, but I was using my phone to mirror to my television so I can watch television until I could afford to get my Wi-Fi turned back on. My phone kept heating up, so I had to keep putting it in the refrigerator so I couldn't do video vlogs. Let it cool down, and anytime I was mirroring, it would take forever and a day. Take a 1 minute video, take 30 minutes to upload a 1 minute video while mirroring because the phone would get hot. Anyway, that's about it. Give you another video blog here soon. Time to go to work. I'm fucking real. Can't believe I fell asleep. Sleep attack hit me. Sleep deprivation, sleep attack hit me.